Hi there. My name is Guntas Danjal.
And my name is Ranbir Danjal.
Today we will be presenting to you our app, Silver Lining. This app is solving the issue of loneliness among senior citizens. Loneliness among senior citizens is a serious issue that can result from social isolation, health problems, retirement, loss of loved ones, and difficulties using technology. A 2023 poll found that 37% of older US adults experienced loneliness, and 34% felt socially isolated. It can lead to mental health issues like depression and anxiety, as well as physical health risks such as heart disease and weakened immunity, ultimately reducing their quality of life.
During COVID, we had a first-hand experience with loneliness while being isolated from most people we knew during the lockdown. What we experienced was on a small scale, but it got us thinking about the loneliness issue on a much larger scale. First, we thought about what our grandma was dealing with, living in India all by herself, away from her family. Then we thought about other senior citizens who are facing the same issue, especially the ones who are living in long-term care, old age homes, and rehab centers. This year, we read about a portal built in two cities that connected random strangers. This idea stuck with us. When we started working on this app, we combined our idea of the portal with the problem of loneliness. We were inspired to create an app that would connect two people in different locations in a safe environment.
We were inspired by the concept of websites like Omegle, which randomly paired one individual with another from anywhere across the world. We wanted to recreate this process in a more safe environment.
Our app will allow senior citizens living in senior homes to connect with each other over a video call. Here's how it works. There will be a screen in one senior home where you can tap a button which rings another device in another senior home. Another person may choose to accept the call and talk with one another.
All right, so now I'm going to showcase a demo of the Silver Lining app. So first, I'm going to launch a local app right here on my MacBook, and then I'm also going to simultaneously launch it on a separate device so that we can really show the entire functionality of the app. So once again, the goal of this app is to connect random users at places such as old age facilities, rehab centers, hospice, senior centers, and adult daycares, all while in a safe environment. So basically, the way I envision this app working is that a user from any of these facilities can make a call to any other random user at any other facility. So let's say the user wants to log in, they would have to type in their location ID. For example, we'll go ahead and use 123 as the location ID. The user would type that in and hit the login button, and that would take you to the main page of the app where the user is presented with two options to make a single call with another individual or a group call with multiple other people. So we're going to go ahead and select single call. And to really make the call after that, the user would type in the ID of the location that they want to connect to. So let's say the location ID of where the user is trying to call is 456. You go ahead and type in 456 and then select the video call option and then the call button. So then the user from the other side would accept the call. All right.
All right.
So now both the users are connected over the call. They can both talk, have a conversation, and after that, whenever they're bored or want to move on, they can just hit the end call button right here and end the call. So once again, this one-to-one random video chat is an ideal way to eliminate isolation, boredom, and overall reduce anxiety. Our next steps for the software include using facial recognition to identify users and provide basic informations to both parties during video chats. This improvement attempts to improve security by validating users' identities using facial recognition. In addition, we intend to add more filters to improve the process of connecting with specific individuals, allowing for a more focused one-on-one interaction based on a person's individual interests.